Electricity is the lifeline of today's economy. It makes our cities throb, catalyzes industrialization, powers crucial infrastructure, and lights up our lives. Today, India is the third largest producer and consumer of electricity, but there are still regions where people are bereft of this basic amenity. The electricity consumption by India is set to drastically increase in the coming years. Along with shifting to cleaner energy, we need to ensure judicious use of electricity if we have to reduce our carbon footprint. In 2014, the co-founders of Easier Soft Technologies, Bipin Chandra and Sanjay Soni, came together to work towards this objective and provided the software solution to the country's first smart grid.
हम लोग को और कुछ नया करना था। मैं और विपिन एक बार दिल्ली गए। जनरेशन तो यूटिलिटी के पास बहुत है, लेकिन इशू है डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन में। मतलब लोग बहुत सारी चोरियां करते हैं, बहुत सारे टेक्निकल लॉस होते हैं, बहुत सारे कमर्शियल लॉस होते हैं। लोगों को ये पता नहीं होता है कि उनके यहाँ पे कब पावर आउटेज होगा।
The way we transmit our electricity has not changed much in the last 70 years. But now, India is progressing fast in making its electricity distribution efficient and resilient. Let us take a look as to how are we making our grids smart. Electricity is generated by power plants like wind farms, thermal power plants and solar panels. The DISCOMs purchase this electricity and distribute it via their network to the consumers in homes, shops and factories. DISCOMs have the job of matching the electricity demand of a city or a state with the electricity supply on a real-time basis. When demand outpaces the supply, the DISCOM opts for load shedding. But now, our grids are becoming smarter. Meter data management software-enabled meters are being installed at our homes, offices, industries and transmission grid. This data is used to match power supply with demand during peak load and detect electricity thefts.
The whole data is analyzed into our big data analytical system, and we have multiple dashboards which will give the customer clear insights that which area they need to focus to reduce the losses. We have a distribution transformer monitoring system which will give us the live status of you can see here the temperature of the transformers. Is it optimally loaded? It is overloaded, the whole status, and what is the oil level also is showcased here. And if any anomaly, the alert is triggered to the particular official so that they can take a corrective action.
Easier Soft Technologies analyzes data and informs the consumers about their consumption of electricity. This software solution has taken care of not just energy management but also keeping the data secure. Dealing with such critical infrastructure requires protecting the network from cyber attacks. Their protocol takes care of this threat as well. The smart meters now allow the DISCOMs to capture the meter readings automatically and remotely, thus increasing transparency in billing.
Correct meter reading and revenue collection after billing are two major challenges being faced by utilities, which smart metering attempts to solve. Consumers too have been benefited by this initiative because meter reading related complaints have come down to almost zero, and consumers have complete visibility of their consumption pattern through mobile app. Up till now, we have invested about 75 crore rupees in the project, which have already been recovered through enhanced revenues after implementation of the project. Moreover, the system provided accurate meter reading during COVID period without human intervention, which was a big relief in the time of pandemic.
Now, Easier Soft Technologies is diversifying towards smart metering of water and gas. They began their journey in 2014 and are fast expanding to several cities in India and abroad. They truly symbolize the spirit of Make in India.
Easier means future in Sanskrit. These smart meters combine IoT with big data analytics for enhancing energy efficiency. Solutions like these are the foundation for building sustainable cities. Indeed, when a champion startup, India steps into the future.